Tuesday, 5th November 2019. Mathematics paper 1, higher tier. Answer all questions. You must show all your working, and total mark for this paper is 80. Find the lowest common multiple of 108 and 120. So you can break down 108 by doing a factor 3. 108 54 times 2, and we color the 2 or circle the 2 because it's a prime number. 54 is 3 times 18. We circle the 3, it's a prime number. 18 is 3 times 6, and 6 is 2 times 3. So we color all the prime numbers. So 108 is the same as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. We do a factor 3. A factor 3 for 120. So 120 is the same as 30 times 4. And we can break down 30 times 4 as 6 times 5. 6 times 5 as the 5 is a prime number, and we can break 6 as 3 times 2. So we can write 120 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now we look for the numbers, the factors, the prime factors which are found in both lists. 2 is found in both, another 2 and 3. We multiply those ones first. 2 times 2 times 3, that will give us the highest common factor. And then we multiply by the rest of the numbers, which are 2, 3, 5, and 2, 3, 3, and 5. So it would give you 1080. And the way I multiply those numbers, I do the ones in yellow first. 2 times 5 will give me 10. And then 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 54. Because I first of all do 3 times 3 times 3 gives you 27. And 27 times 2, 54. And then you do 54 times 2 is 108. And 108 times 10 is 1080. That's how you do it without a calculator. Question number 2. There are 60 people in the choir. Half of the people in the choir are women. The number of women in the choir is 3 times the number of men in the choir. The rest of the people in the choir are children. The number of children in the choir is 2. The number of men in the choir is n is to 1. Work out the value of n. You must show how you get your answer. So to do this type of question, we need to find the number of men. Because there are 60 people in the choir, half of them are women, so half of 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 30 are women. So, but the number of women in the choir is 3 times the number of men. So it's 30 women divided by 3, it gives you 10. So there are 10 men, because the number of women, 3 times 10 is 30. The number of women is 3 times the number of men. We need to find the number of children. If we know the number of women and the number of men, we subtract that from the total number of people to get the number of children. So there are 60 people, 30 women, and 10 men. So 60 minus 30 is 20, is 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. So there are 20 children. Now we want to find that value for n. We use that ratio. The number of children in the choir is 20, is to the number of men in the choir is 10. We simplify. Divide by 10 on both sides. 20 divided by 10 is 2, and 10 divided by 10 is 1. So the ratio is 2 is to 1. So that means the number of children in the choir is to the number of men is 2 is to 1. So n is 2. Question number 3. Work out 1 and 3 over 4 times 1 and 1 over 3. Give your answer as a mixed number. We need to change 1 and 3 over 4, which is a mixed number, to improper fraction. So you do 1 times 4 plus 3. 1 times 4 plus 3 goes in the numerator, divided by 4. That's 7 over 4. 1 and 1/3, change it to improper fraction. 1 times 3 plus 1 gives you 4 divided by 3. So now we multiply 7 over 4 times 4 over 3. The 4 will cross out, cancel 4 from the top and the bottom. So you cancel 4 from the top and bottom, and you're left with 7 over 3. 7 divided by 3 is the same as 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So there are 2 3's. 2, 3, remainder 1 over 3. 2 and 1 over 3, because 7 divided by 3 is 3, 3, and 1. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So it's 2, 3, remainder 1 over 3. Question number 4. Use a ruler and a compass to construct the line from the point P perpendicular to the line CD. You must show all your construction lines. So this is the process to draw a perpendicular from a point of a line. So you have a point there and you have your line CD. So the steps are: place your compass point on P and swing an arc of any size across the line twice. So you want to do that so that you get the arc. It crosses it at 2 points. That's the process. Number 2, place a compass point on one of the 2 locations where the arc crosses the line and makes a small arc below the line on the other side where P is not located. So you put your compass at that point there, and then you will make this arc. And without changing the span of the compass, place the compass point on the other location where the first arc crosses the line and make another small arc below the line. So you change it to the other point and you do another arc. So you get the 2 arc crosses like that. And the 2 small arcs should be intersecting on the other side of the line opposite point P. So you put the compass there and make this arc. Take the compass, put the next point and make the arc. And then use a straight edge, connect the intersection of the 2 small arcs to point P. So you join them, that point and the 2 arcs. And that's what you would get when you do the process. Question number 5. The diagram shows triangle ABC. ABC. ADB is a straight line. I've highlighted ADB in pink. The size of angle DCB is to the size of angle ACB is 2:1. Work out the size of BDC. Now, the first thing we want to do is the angle we want to find. I've colored it in yellow. We want to find BDC. So let's find the angle ACB. ACB is this angle I'm highlighting, total angle ACB. If you see the triangle, 180 degrees. So to get ACB, 180, take away 75 and take away 51. That gives you 54. So ACB is 54 degrees. And we want to share it between those two, between ACD and DCB. So to share it in the given ratio, 2:1. So we'll do 2 plus 1. It gives you 3. 54 divided by 3 is 18. So it's 18 parts. So now it is 18 times 2 it gives you 36, because it is 2:1. 18 times 2, it gives you 36. So the angle is 180 minus 51 minus 36. It gives you 93. So 180 minus 51 minus 36, it gives you that angle there, 93. Question number 6. 4 red bricks have a mean weight of 5 kilograms. 5 blue bricks have a mean weight of 9 kilograms. 1 green brick has a weight of 6 kilograms. Donor says the mean weight of the 10 bricks is less than 7 kilograms. Is donor correct? You must show how you get your answer. So the first thing I will do is find the total weight of the 4 red bricks. There's 4 red bricks and the mean weight is 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. So the total weight of the 4 red bricks is 20. Next thing is find the total weight of the 5 blue bricks. Total weight of the 5 blue bricks is 5 bricks times 9 kilograms. It gives you 45 kilograms. Now, we want the total weight of all the bricks. So we want to add the red plus the blue plus the green. So the red is 20, the blue is 45, and the green is 6. So 20 plus 45 plus 6. That gives the total weight of all 10 bricks as 71. And if you find the mean, 71 divided by 10 is 7.1. So the mean would be 7.1. So is donor correct that it's less than 7 kilogram? No, because it is 7.1. 7.1 is not the same as, is less than 7. So the answer is no, she is wrong. 7.1 is 1.1 more than 7. You can say 7.1 is 1 more than 7. Or you can say the total weight is 71 and not 70, because 71 divided by 10 is 7.1. Question number 7. Simplify p squared to the power 5. You multiply the power 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, so it's p to the power 10. Simplify 12x to the power 7 y cubed divided by 6x cubed y. So we do 12 divided by 6 is 2. X to the 7 minus x to the 7 and x to the 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And y cubed divided by y1, y to the 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 gives you 2. So what we're doing is we are subtracting the powers for x, 7 minus 3. Subtract the powers for y, 3 minus 1. And then divide the numbers, 12 divided by 6. So your answer would be 2x to the 4y squared.